What if I told you that a dirty, old $1981 coin sitting in a drawer, or buried in the bottom of a jar, could secretly be worth hundreds, thousands, or even life-changing money? Most people would wipe the dirt off and spend it without a second thought. But coin collectors know something the public doesn't. Sometimes the ugliest, dirtiest coins are hiding the biggest hidden treasure. And one particular $1981 coin has been quietly shocking collectors with values that can explode far beyond its face value. So before you spend that coin, before you toss it back into circulation, you might want to listen very carefully. Because the story behind the $1,980 is stranger, and more valuable, than most people realize. Back in 1979 and 1980, the United States Mint introduced the Susan B. Anthony dollar, the first U.S. coin to feature a real historical woman. The government hoped this small dollar coin would replace the bulky Eisenhower dollar. But something unexpected happened. People hated it. The coin was nearly the same size and color as a quarter. Cashiers confused it. Vending machines rejected it. Americans simply refused to use it. Within a short time, millions of these coins were dumped into storage vaults, forgotten in bags, drawers, and bank boxes. Some sat untouched for decades. And that's exactly why collectors today are finding big money hidden among these coins. Because when a coin is widely ignored, minting mistakes slip through. And mistakes in the coin world can mean huge value. Now let's talk about the first detail you should check on a $1,980 coin. Look at the mint mark, located just above Susan B. Anthony's shoulder on the front of the coin. You might see a tiny letter. P for Philadelphia. D for Denver. Or S for San Francisco. Most coins you'll find will be Philadelphia or Denver issues. These are common in regular condition and usually worth around $1. But here's where things start getting interesting. If your coin has an S mint mark, you might be holding a proof coin originally made for collectors. Proof coins are struck with special dies that create mirror-like surfaces and razor-sharp details. Even when they get old and dirty, they often still have a distinctive shine. Some 1980 S proof dollars sell $4.20 to $100, depending on condition. But the real excitement begins when we look at error varieties. Because the $1,980 is known for several minting errors that can turn an ordinary coin into serious collector gold. One of the most shocking is the filled mint mark error. During production, grease or debris sometimes clog the mint mark punch. When that happens, the letter can appear partially filled or distorted. Collectors hunt these down aggressively. Depending on the strength of the error and condition of the coin, these can sell $4.50, $100, even several $100s. And that's just the beginning. Another error to look for is a struck-through error. This happens when debris gets between the coin die and the metal blank during striking. The result? A strange indentation or missing detail somewhere on the coin. Sometimes it looks like a rough patch on Susan B. Anthony's portrait. Other times it appears in the lettering or around the eagle on the back. Coins with dramatic struck-through errors have sold $4.150 to $500 depending on rarity. Now here's where things get even more exciting. Some $1,980 were struck off-center. That means the blank wasn't positioned correctly during the strike, leaving part of the design missing and a blank crescent of metal visible. These off-center coins are incredibly popular with collectors. A $1,980 struck 10 to 20% off-center can easily bring $200 to $700 at auction. But if the date and mint mark remain visible while the strike is dramatically off-center, the value can climb even higher. Now imagine finding that in your spare change. But wait, there's an even bigger surprise many collectors don't realize. Some $1,980 have dramatic die cracks or rim errors. A die crack occurs when the metal die used to stamp coins begins to fracture. When the coin is struck, that crack transfers onto the coin as a raised line. Sometimes these cracks run across the portrait, through the lettering, or across the eagle on the reverse. And collectors love dramatic die cracks because each one is unique. Some of these cracked $1,980 have sold for $100 to $400, depending on how visible the crack is. Now let's talk about condition, because this is where values can skyrocket. Most $1,980 were heavily circulated, which means they show scratches, dull surfaces, and worn details. But every once in a while, someone finds one that looks nearly perfect. When a coin remains in mint state condition, meaning it has never been circulated, it can be worth far more. Professional grading companies score coins on a scale from 1 to 70. And here's the shocking part. A 1980 P. Susan B. Anthony dollar graded MS-67 sold at auction for over $1,000. Yes, a coin originally worth just $1. Even more astonishing, some pristine 1980 D dollars graded at the very top levels have approached $1,500 or more in elite auctions. And remember, those coins often looked completely ordinary before they were graded. Now here's a little trick collectors use when searching for hidden treasure. Look closely at the edge and rim of the coin. The $1,980 should have a reeded edge, meaning small vertical grooves around the rim. But occasionally, minting errors create partial or weak reading. When the grooves fade out or look uneven, it could signal a striking anomaly. Collectors sometimes pay $75 to $250 for unusual rim errors. Also examine the color and luster. Even dirty coins can reveal flashes of original mint shine when tilted under light. If the coin still has strong luster beneath the dirt, it might be worth sending to a grading service. That hidden shine can make the difference between a $1 coin and a $500 collectible. And here's something many people don't realize. Banks across the United States and the UK occasionally release old stored coin bags that haven't been opened in decades. Collectors have discovered entire rolls of $1,980 with pristine coins hiding inside. That means valuable examples are still out there, waiting to be discovered in circulation. Some people have even reported finding them in estate sales, flea markets, and inherited coin jars. Imagine dumping out a jar of coins, brushing away the dirt, and realizing one of those dollars could be worth hundreds or even thousands. That's the thrill of coin collecting. Hidden treasure hiding in plain sight. But here's the most important thing to remember. Never clean the coin. Cleaning may seem like a good idea, but it can actually destroy the surface and wipe away the life-changing value collectors pay for. Leave the dirt exactly as it is until a professional evaluates it. Because sometimes that old and dirty look is exactly what tells experts the coin is original and untouched. And the next time you see a $1,980 coin, whether it's scratched, dull, or buried in dust, don't assume it's worthless. It might just be one of the rare varieties collectors are hunting right now. A tiny mint mark variation. A hidden die crack. An off-center strike. Or a pristine mint state coin waiting to reveal big money. And who knows? The next hidden treasure might already be sitting in your pocket change, your coin jar, or a forgotten box in the attic. So before you spend another dollar coin, take a closer look. Because the coin everyone ignored for decades might secretly carry life-changing value. And if you think that's shocking, wait until you hear about the next coin collectors are finding that has sold for over $100,000, while most people still spend it like ordinary change.